subscribe, like and share.
Hello friends, today we will know about India's first. Watch this video till end. Let's start. First President of Indian Republic was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. First Governor General of Free India was C. Rajgopalachari. First Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. First woman Prime Minister of India, Srimati Indira Gandhi. First woman Government of State, Srimati Sarojini Naidu. First woman Chief Minister of State, Srimati Suchita Kripalani. First woman Cabinet Minister in Union Cabinets, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. First oldest Prime Minister of India, Morarji Desai. First youngest Prime Minister of India, Rajiv Gandhi. First session of Parliament, 13th May 1952. First Chief of Army Staff, General K. M. Karippa. First woman President of UN General Assembly, Shrimati Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. First President of International Court of Justice, Dr. Nagendra Singh. First woman Judge of Supreme Court, Meera Sahib Fatima Bibi. First Fingerprint Bureau at Kolkata in June 1897. First woman to swim across English Channel, Aarti Saha. First man to swim across English Channel, Mihir Sen. First Indian in the British Parliament, Dadabhai Naoroji. First Field Marshal, SHFJ Manekshaw. First Indian recipient of Victoria Cross, Khudadad Khan. First astronaut of India, Rakesh Sharma. First woman to climb Mount Everest, Bachendri Pal. First Indian ICS, Satyendranath Tagore. First newspaper of India, Bengal Gazette, 27th January 1780. First vernacular paper, Samachar Darpan, 31st May 1818. First railway run, Mumbai to Thane, 16th April 1853. First railway terminus, Boribandar, Mumbai, 1853. First railway electric lighting, Jodhpur Railway, 1897. First electronic train run. Mumbai to Kurla, 1925. First metro railway. Metro railway, Kolkata. First scientist of India, Udalka Aruni. He is mentioned in Upanishad. First satellite of India, Aryabhatta, 1975. First rocket of India, Rohini, 1967. First regular census, 1881. First Hindi movie of India, Raja Harishchandra. First talkies, Alma Ara. First Oscar awardee, Bhanu Athaya. First special Oscar awardee, Satyajit Ray. First pilot of India, JRD, Tata, 1929. First international air service, Tata Airlines, 1936. First flight without passengers, Air India, Mumbai to London, 9 December 1988. First totally indigenous car, Tata Sierra and Tata Estate by Telco. First hotel chain, Woodlands, in 1938. First batsman to score to double century in one-day international cricket match, Sachin Tendulkar. First Prime Minister of India who didn't face the Parliament, Charan Singh. First Indian to receive Bharat Ratna Award, Dr. Radha Krishnan. First Speaker of the Lok Sabha, Ganesh Vasudev Mavalankar. First Vice President of India, Dr. Radha Krishnan. First Education Minister, Abul Kalam Azad. First Home Minister of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. First Chief Election Commissioner, Sukumar Sen. First Woman President of India, Pratibha Patil. First Woman IPS Officer, Kiran Bedi. First Indian woman to go to space, Kalpana Chawla. First woman musician to get Bharat Ratna, MS Subbalakshmi. First Indian woman to win gold in Asian Games, Kamaljeet Sandhu. Today we have learned India's first. We'll meet in next video with different concept.